In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your Instagram story. So we're going to start by heading over to the YouTube application and then just navigate over to the video that you want to add to your story. So I'm just going to be adding this random video over here. And in the bottom of the video, you need to click the share button and press copy link. Now, another thing that I like to do here is actually take a screenshot of this window, and we're actually going to use that screenshot for our Instagram story. So now head back over to the Instagram application, click on the plus icon to add a new story, and then select add to your story. Now from here, you can either upload a custom image or we can just upload that screenshot that we just took. And you can of course resize this to fit the screen. Once you're happy with the placement of your image, click on the sticker icon in the top navigation. Using the search box, type in the word link, and then click on the link icon. Then we just need to paste the URL that we just copied and press done. And now you can click on this YouTube link to change either the background and the colors of the link like so. I'm just going to have it set to this colorful one and I'm going to make it slightly bigger like this. And just like that, we can now add this to our Instagram story. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.